you were mentioning the idea of getting products designed, and like was that another challenge? That maybe the concept is one thing, but the actual bringing it all together, was that difficult to do at the time as well?
It is, but to be honest, it takes me probably a long way back in my career to when my job at the time may have been sitting at a design board and drawing parts. It wouldn't be a typical day for me now as the head of the engineering department. But it was nice to use all those years of experience and just get back into the basics of engineering, and as I say, designing a part and getting it made and just having the concept in your head and getting that onto paper. And then and of course it supports local industry. There were 2 or 3 local precision engineering companies that were probably virtually at the point of closure because of the pandemic. And it's very nice to knock on their door and say, look, can you make these for me? And I need them by Friday. So it was a great local effort as well.
Yeah, and it sounds like there might have been like a great emotional feeling when you were involved at the front line, let's say, like in a product that was so essential to the Irish to the Irish people.
Well, it was, and just to know there was a national shortage and that we were supplying schools. I mean, okay, the schools eventually closed, but when the schools did reopen, they were just crying out for this product, and you couldn't get enough in the country. The hospitals were just without sanitizer, and we worked as hard as we possibly could to fill that gap.